Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today let us discuss one more important problem of de Moivres theorem chapter of intermediate second year 2A. So here if you observe de Moivres theorem chapter, there is a weightage of 9 marks. That means one 7 marks question and one 2 marks question for a board exam. In that point of view, now I am explaining all important 7 marks questions that can come in your intermediate public examination. So let us discuss one of them. So if you see here from page number 48, Roman number 3, third question is important for board exam. So if you see the question, if n is a positive integer, he is saying, and he is asking us to show p plus iq whole to the power of n plus p minus iq whole to the power of n equivalent to uh, 2 of p square plus q square of 1 by 2n cos of 1 by n tan inverse q by p. So this one we have to do here. uh, so we have to show this one here. Okay, so let's start doing the solution of this question. So I am trying to make this question simple until how can I do this. Okay, the question so in first case he is asking us to show p plus iq whole to the power of n plus p plus iq whole to p minus iq whole to the power of 1 by n is equal to something, right? So first I took p plus iq, and what I did is I multiplied and divided by with square root of p square plus q square. Okay, so here multiplied with p square plus q square into p by p square plus q square plus I into q by p square plus root over p square plus q square. So now what I am doing is I am considering for a simplest explanation I am telling this. So I am considering cos alpha, that is p by square root of p square plus q square. Okay, and sin alpha as q by square root of p square plus q square, and I'm considering rs, so multiplied with this one, no? So I'm considering this multiplied one as r, and I am considering tan alpha as q by p. How means sin alpha by cos alpha is nothing but tan alpha. So here if you divide, root over p square plus q square, and here also root over p square plus q square will be cancelled, and you will get tan alpha is equal to q by p. And p plus iq whole to the power of n I am doing now. So what will become here, r to the power of 1 by n. Okay, and this one whole to the power of 1 by n. So r to the power of 1 by n, that is I am taking this whole to the power of 1 by n into this. Okay, then you will get cos alpha by n plus I sin alpha by n. So take it as first equation. Now p minus iq whole to the power of 1 by n. So in the same way like before, so here what will happen, minus na, so that's why in place of here we will get minus change. Okay, and something and after that you add the both equations. So what will happen then, if you add the both equations, that is p plus iq power whole to the power of n plus p minus iq whole to the power of 1 by n, then you will get, you can take here r power 1 by n as common. In both cases it is there, and cos alpha by n I wrote here plus I sin alpha by n I wrote here. Now what I am doing is uh, this one plus cos alpha by n minus I sin alpha by n, it will be. Why? Because here in middle it is minus, no? So then in another step you can write simply without writing this minus here, you can take out this minus here, and you can write this minus simply here, cos alpha by n minus I sin alpha by n. And in next step adding both, then we'll get like this. So here I sin alpha and I sin alpha by n cancel. These both will be cancelled. I sin alpha by n and here minus I sin alpha by n. So these both will be cancelled and these both will add up. So then what will happen here? R to the power of 1 by n 2 cos alpha by n we will get. So here 2 into cos alpha by n. So this one how can we write? So this one 2 cos alpha by n r power 1 by n into 2 cos alpha by n. That is here what is cos alpha? I consider p by square root of p square plus q square. P by square root of q square p square plus q square 2 into, and this is divided by n, and r to the power of n. What is r to the power of n? Square root of p square plus q square into square root of p square plus q square by n. Okay, so now what will happen here? So that will become 2p root over p square plus q square by root over p square plus q square by n. So that one I am writing simply like 2 of square root of p square plus q square whole to the power of 1 by n. Okay, now what will happen here? So then we will get cos of 1 by n tan inverse of q by p, that is equal to 2 of p square plus q square 1 by 2. So until here you got no, then you can write the remaining result what is given in question. Okay, so this is the solution for this particular question. So I explained this question for slow learners to understand this one clearly. So if you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.